This is M. Sai Nikhil of ECB section. My roll number is 20BQ1A04A9. I am here to explain about dielectrics. Let's come and see about this. Dielectrics. Properties of dielectrics. Non-polar and polar materials. Permittivity and susceptibility. Polarization of dielectrics. Electric polarization and ionic polarization. Orientation polarization and space charge polarization. Lorentz field and Cauchy-Motti equation. Local field or Lorentz internal field depends upon internal fields. Properties of dielectrics. Dielectrics are insulators. Dia means two, electrics means charges. Types non-polar materials and polar materials. Non-polar materials are insulated bonded electrons. Polar materials have no free charges. Non-metals high specific resistance. Non-metals with stand and high voltage, high specific resistance. Capacitors store charges. Dielectric properties are divided into two types: applied electric field, DC electric field, AC electric field. Permittivity E, medium permittivity, vacuum permittivity, relative permittivity. Dielectric displacement or flux density. Dipole moment mu, polarizability alpha. Lorentz forces F1, Coulombic forces Fc. Susceptibility Xi. Electric dipole moment mu. The product of charges and distance between two charges is called electric dipole moment. Mu equal to Q into R. Units Coulomb meter or dB. Where mu equal to Q into R. Two charges, product of two charges and multiplication with distance between them R. In CO2, dipole moment is 0. In H2O, dipole moment is 1.84 d. D is directly proportional to E. D is D equal to epsilon into E. D equal to epsilon naught E plus P. ER minus 1 equal to Xi. What is Xi? Electric susceptibility. Electric susceptibility is also denoted by Xi. It is denoted that it is known as ratio of polarization vector to the applied electric field E. Xi equal to P by E. Xi has no units. P equal to Xi, where Xi equal to epsilon r minus 1. Various polarization processes. When specimen is placed inside a DC electric field, polarization is due to four types of processes: electric polarization, ionic polarization, orientation polarization, space charge polarization. Ionic polarization, orientation polarization, space charge polarization. Electric polarization. When an EMF is applied to an atom, positively charged nucleus displaces in a direction of electric field, and E cap could be in opposite direction. Electron could be in opposite direction. This kind of displacement will produce an electric dipole within the atom. That is, dipole moment is proportional to the magnitude of field strength and is given by mu E directly proportional to E, or mu E equal to alpha E into E, where E is called electric polarizability constant. Electric polarization. When an EMF is applied to an atom, positively charged nucleus displaces in the direction of field, and E could be in opposite direction. This kind of displacement will produce an electric dipole within the atom. That is, dipole moment is proportional to the magnitude of field strength. Thus, displacement between electrons and nucleus produced include dipole moment and hence polarization. This is called electric polarization. It increases with increase of volume of the atom. This kind of polarization is mostly exhibited in monoatomic gases. It occurs only in optical frequency of 10 power 15 Hz. It is independent of temperature. Alpha E equal to dash into 10 power minus 40 into Fe meter square. We use noble gases for this: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and their compositions. Let sigma be the charge density of this sphere. Sigma equal to minus Z d by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Zd represents the total charge in the space. Thus, the negative charge in the sphere of radius x is q equal to sigma into 4 by 3 pi x cube minus Ze by 4 by 3 pi r cube into 4 by 3 pi x cube, that is equal to minus Ze by r cube into x cube. Consider this as equation 1. Fc equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into QE by x square, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into x square into minus Ze into x cube by r cube into Ze, that is equal to minus Z square E square x by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. Consider this as equation 2. Force experienced by displaced nucleus in EF of strength E is FL equal to QE, that is equal to Ze into 3. FL equal to Fc minus Z square E square x by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube, that is equal to Ze into E minus Ze x by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube equal to E minus Zx by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube equal to minus Xc minus Zdx by alpha E, that is equal to E equal to dipole moment by alpha E. Alpha E equal to 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. Hence, electronic polarizability is directly proportional to cube of radius of the atom. Ionic polarization. The ionic polarization occurs when atom from molecules and it is mainly due to relative displacement of the atomic components of the molecule in the presence of an electric field. When the EF is applied to the molecule, the positive ion displaced by x1 to the negative side electric field and negative ion displaced by x2 to the positive side of the field. The relative displacement is mu equal to q into x1 plus x2. Restoration force constant depends upon the mass of the ion and natural frequency and is given by F equal to E into E, that is equal to m omega square x, or x equal to E by m omega naught square. X1 plus x2 equal to E by E into E equal to E by omega naught square into 1 by m plus 1 by m, where m is the mass of the anion and m is the mass of the cation. Mu ionic equal to E into x1 plus x2, that's equal to E square into E by omega naught square into 1 by m plus 1 by m. Alpha ionic equal to mu ionic by E, that is equal to E square by omega naught square into 1 by m plus 1 by m. This polarization occurs at the frequency of 10 power minus 13 Hz IR. It is a slowly process compared to electric polarization. It is independent of temperature. Orientation polarization. It is also called dipole or molecular polarization. The molecules such as H2, N2, O2, Cl2, CH4, Cl2, etc. does not carry any dipole because center of positive charges and the center of negative charges coincide. On the other hand, molecules like CH3Cl, H2O, HCl, ethyl acetate carries dipole moment even in the absence of electric field. However, the net dipole moment is negligibly small since all the molecular dipoles are oriented randomly. When there is no EF in the presence of electric field, these all dipole orientate themselves in the direction of field. As such, a result of net dipole moment becomes enormous. Expression for orientation polarization: P naught equal to n into mu orientation, that is equal to n into mu square orientation E by 3 kt, that is equal to n alpha naught E. Alpha naught equal to mu naught k square mu square orientation by 3 kt. Alpha equal to alpha electric plus alpha ionic plus alpha orientation, that is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught r cube plus E square by omega naught square into 1 by m plus 1 by m plus mu square orientation by 3 kt. This is called Langevins Debye equation in the total polarizability in the dielectrics. Internal field or local field. Local field or internal field in the dielectrics is the space and the average Local field or internal field in the dielectrics is the space and time average of the electric field intensity acting on the particular molecule in the dielectric materials. Evaluation of internal field. Consider a dielectric is placed between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor and let there be an imaginary spherical cavity around the atom A inside the dielectric. The internal field at the atom site A can be made up of four components E1, E2, E3, and E4. Field E1 is a field intensity at A due to a charge density on the plates. E1 equal to D by epsilon naught, D equal to epsilon naught E plus P, E1 equal to epsilon naught E plus P by epsilon naught. E1 equal to E plus P by epsilon naught. You consider this as equation 1. Field at E2. E2 is a field intensity at A due to the charge density induced on two sides of the dielectrics. E2 equal to minus P by epsilon naught is equal to equation 2. Field at E3. The field at E3 due to atoms contains in the cavity are assumed as cubic structures. So E3 equal to 0. Field at E4. This is due to polarized charges on the surface of the spherical cavity. dA equal to 2 pi PQ into QR. That's equal to 2 pi r sin theta cos theta d theta. dA equal to 2 pi r square sin theta d theta, where dA is the surface area between t and dt, theta plus d theta plus so on. The field due to this charge at A denoted by dE4 is given by dE4 equal to 1 by 4 E epsilon naught dq by r square. The field in theta equal to 0. dE4 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught dq cos theta by r square. d4 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. That is equal to 2 pi r square p cos theta sin theta d theta cos theta. On integration this from limits from 0 to pi, we get 0 to pi p by 2 epsilon naught cos square theta sin theta d theta. On simplifying this, we get E4 equal to P by 3 epsilon naught. Lorentz internal field. EI equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E4. On adding these four energies, we get Lorentz electric field EI equal to E plus P by 3 epsilon naught. Cauchy-Mortis equation relation. Consider a dielectric material having cubic structure and assume ionic polarizability and orientation polarizability are 0. Alpha E plus alpha E equal to alpha 0 equal to 0. Polarization P equal to n mu. P equal to n alpha E EI, where mu equal to alpha E EI, where EI equal to E plus P by 3 epsilon naught. P equal to n alpha E EI, where EI equal to E plus P by 3 epsilon naught. Substituting this and calculation, we get P value as P equal to n alpha E by 1 minus n alpha E by 3 epsilon naught. We know that polarization on vector P equal to epsilon naught E into epsilon r minus 1 equal to equation 2. From 1 and 2 we get n alpha E by 1 by 1 minus n alpha E by 1 minus n alpha E by 3 epsilon naught equal to epsilon naught E into epsilon r minus 1. On simplifying this, we get 1 equal to n alpha E by 3 epsilon naught into 1 plus 3 by epsilon r minus 1. N alpha E by 3 epsilon naught equal to 1 by 1 plus 3 by epsilon r minus 1. N alpha E by 3 epsilon naught equal to epsilon r minus 1 by epsilon r plus 2. This is called Cauchy-Mortis relation. Ferroelectric materials or ferroelectricity. Ferroelectric crystals exhibit spontaneous polarization, that is, electric polarization without electric field. Ferroelectric crystals possess high dielectric constant. Each unit cell of a ferroelectric crystal carries a reversible electric dipole moment. Example: barium tetranitrate, sodium nitrate. Solid dielectrics in transformers. Fibrous materials are used in air-cooled transformation. Cotton tape is used for insulating the conductors of Oil cooled transformers. High quality synthetic resins bonded papers in the form of cylinder is used as an insulator between core and coil and also between primary and secondary winding. Press Pressboard or press paper is used as a filling and a packing material between coils. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity.